The five senses, sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch, each play an important part in the lives we live, but it can be said that sight is the one sense that we rely upon the most. Johann Kepler, one of the most significant persons of the scientific revolution during the 16th and 17th centuries, understood the importance of the eyes and their role in allowing us to observe the world around us. He would later become the first to correctly explain the functional human eye, complete with an inverted image on the retina. It's obvious that sight is dependent upon the function of our eyes, but did you know that the brain plays an equally important role in our visual system? We will observe the eye's anatomy and function, as well as look at a few common malfunctions of the eye. To better understand how vision works, let's take a closer look at the human eye. Sight begins when light rays are reflected off of an object and enters through the cornea, the clear covering of the eye. The cornea refracts or bends the light rays that pass through the hole called the pupil. Surrounding the pupil is the iris, the colored portion of the eye. The iris opens and closes when necessary to adjust the amount of light passing through the eye. The light passes through a convex-shaped lens which refracts the light rays and focuses them toward a central point, inverting the image onto the retina. The retina is a very thin layer of tissue at the back of the eye that contains millions of light-sensitive nerve cells called rods and cones. Cones are found in the center of the retina, called the macula. In bright light conditions, cones provide clear, sharp vision and detect colors and fine details. Rods are located outside the macula, all the way to the outer edge of the retina. They provide peripheral vision, motion detection, and help us see in dim light and at night. The rods and cones convert the light rays into electrical impulses, which the optic nerve sends to the brain, where the image is translated into what we see. When our eyes function normally, we are able to focus on objects both near and far. Eye malfunctions occur when a part of the eye stops working or becomes misshapen. These malfunctions prevent light from entering our eyes properly, causing a misalignment with the retina. When the focal point, the region behind the lens where the light focuses onto the retina, becomes misaligned, two problems may occur. The first problem is myopia, or nearsightedness. This is when the focal point falls short of the retina. People experiencing this condition have difficulty focusing on objects far away. For those with myopia, glasses or contact lenses with concave lenses are used to correct the problem. Another common eye malfunction is called hyperopia or farsightedness. People experiencing this condition have difficulty focusing on objects at close distance due to the focal point falling behind the retina. For those with hyperopia, convex lenses in either contacts or glasses are used to correct the problem. Our sense of sight is our most precious sense, and though we may take it for granted at times, to be without it would simply leave us in the dark. I'm Abraham Abundis. Thanks for watching.